Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Chrome extensions for safer dApp browsing, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Type Chrome / extensions into the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the Chrome extensions page. Here, you can see all the installed extensions. Look for the extensions you use for decentralized applications, or dApps. If you haven't installed any yet, go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for popular dApp browsers like MetaMask or CryptoWallet. Click on the extension you want to install and hit the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Add Extension to complete the installation. Once installed, locate the extension icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Click on the icon to open the extension. You may need to set up the extension with a wallet or other necessary information. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your wallet securely. Next, navigate back to the extensions page. Here, ensure that the extension is enabled. Look for the settings icon within the extension pop-up. Click on it to access advanced settings. Explore options for privacy and security settings. You may want to enable features like transaction notifications. Review permissions that the extension requests. Only allow permissions that are necessary for your dApp usage. Consider disabling any unnecessary capabilities. Once you've adjusted the settings, remember to save your changes. To enhance your safety, consider using a VPN while browsing. Select a reputable VPN service and install it. After installation, open the VPN application and connect to a server. Now, return to Chrome and navigate to the dApp you wish to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.